Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving questions of Test Yourself from chapter Arithmetic Progression. So starting with question number 6. Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP whose first term is 3 and the last term is 57. Very easy. First term 3 दिया है and last term is 57. So for an AP, we'll write down the given first. A is 3 and L is 57. We need to find out the sum of first 20 terms, that is S20 find out करना है. Now which formula you will use over here? Sn is n by 2 into A plus L because we know first term and last term, तो ये formula use करेंगे. So write down the formula first. Okay. Now we'll make the substitutions. S20 is 20 by 2 into 3 plus 57. 2 tens are. So 10 into 60 हो जाएगा, that is 600. So sum of first 20 terms is 600. Write down the final statement. The sum of first 20 terms of the AP is 600. Okay. Next question, question number 7. How many terms of the series 18 plus 15 plus 12 and so on when added together will give 45? Series. They have not told that this is an AP. So first thing that you will do is check whether it is an AP or not. How will you find out? By checking the difference between the consecutive terms. Okay. So let's prove that this is an AP. By looking only you can say कि AP है ये. Okay. Difference same मिलेगा. So the given series is 18 plus 15 plus 12 and so on. T2 minus T1, that is 15 minus 18 हो जाएगा minus 3. T3 minus T2, that is 12 minus 15 is again minus 3. So the difference between the consecutive terms is same, therefore it is an AP. So you write down, since the difference between the consecutive terms is same, the series is an AP. So since it is an AP, we can find out A and D. A is 18 and D we already found 15 minus 18, that is minus 3. Okay. How many terms of the series when added together will give 45? So कितने terms को add करके हम लोग को 45 मिल रहा है, that is sum 45 मिल रहा है. तो कितने terms को add करके you need to find out. So n you have to find out and sum is given to you. Okay. So sum of n terms is 45. Alright. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn 45 है. n by 2 into 18 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Okay. Shifting 2 on the other side, 45 2s are 90 is equal to n into 2 18s are 36. Here I'll write down in brackets first, then I'll open the brackets. Minus 3 into n, minus 3n. Minus into minus plus, 3 1s are 3. Okay. So 90 is equal to n into 36 minus 3n plus 3. Okay. So we are getting 90 is equal to n into 39 minus 3n. Correct? So 90 is equal to 39n minus 3n square. Quadratic. So let's shift all the terms in the LHS. 3n square minus 39n plus 90 is equal to 0. You can solve, split the middle term over here itself, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by 3 because every number over here is divisible by 3. So dividing by 3 throughout. n square, 39 को 3 से डिवाइड किया 13, 90 को 3 से डिवाइड किया 30, 0 को 3 से डिवाइड किया 0. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट्स. 30 प्रोडक्ट है, सो दो ऐसे फैक्टर्स जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करके 30 मिलेगा एंड ऐड करके -13 मिलेगा. 3 and 10, -3 and -10, राइट. सो -3 and -10 ऐड करके -13 एंड मल्टीप्लाई करके +30. सो -3n -10n plus 30 equals to 0. Taking common from first two terms, n minus 3n brackets मिलेगा. यहाँ पे 10 common लेके that is -10. okay, so n becomes positive. ये पॉजिटिव था नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. 10 3s are 30. okay, so n minus 3 in one bracket and n minus 10 in another bracket equals to 0. all right, so n minus 3 is equal to 0 or n minus 10 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 10. We are getting two possibilities. Box both the values of n. okay, write down the final statement. The number of terms added are 3 or 10. okay, let's read the next question. Question number 8. The nth term of a sequence is 8 minus 5n. Show that the sequence is an AP. Nth term, that is Tn, is 8 minus 5n. You have to prove that this is an AP. For that you need to find out the terms first. तो terms कैसे find out करेंगे? n की जगह पे 1 पुट करो, फर्स्ट टर्म मिलेगा. 2 पुट करो, सेकेंड टर्म मिलेगा. 3 पुट करो, थर्ड टर्म, एंड सो ऑन. सो फाइंड आउट एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स and check the difference between the consecutive terms. okay, so the difference is same, then it is an AP, and if not, then it is not an AP. okay, तो यहाँ पे difference same मिलेगा because you need to show that the sequence is an AP, so you will get the difference as same. okay, so write down for a sequence Tn is 8 minus 5n. okay, so T1 is 8 minus 5 into 1, that is 8 minus 5, which is 3. T2 is 8 minus 5 into 2, that is 8 minus 10, which is minus 2. T3 is 8 minus 5 into 3, that is 8 minus 15, that will give minus 7. T4 is 8 minus 5 into 4, so that will give 8 minus 20, that is minus 12. And T5 is 8 minus 5 into 5, that is 8 minus 25, so that will give minus 70. okay, so we got the first 5 terms of the sequence. Let us prove that this is an AP. So T2 minus T1 will be minus 2 minus 3, that will give minus 5. T3 minus T2 is minus 7 minus 2, minus 7 minus minus 2. Be careful, minus 7 फिर minus put करके फिर वो term. okay, so minus 7 plus 2, that is minus 5. T4 minus T3 is minus 12 minus minus 7. So that gives minus 12 plus 7, which is again minus 5. And last T5 minus T4 हो जाएगा minus 17 minus 12, so that gives minus 17 plus 12, which is minus 5. Difference between the consecutive terms is same, therefore the sequence is an AP. So you write down, since the difference between the consecutive terms is same, the sequence is an AP. Okay. Coming to next question, question number 9. Find the general term, that is nth term, and 23rd term of the sequence 3, 1, -1, -3, and so on. Now we have to find out general term, nth term, and 23rd term, that is T23. For that we are going to use the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. अब ये फॉर्मूला कब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? When the sequence is an AP. You are given sequence, AP है ये नहीं बोला है, तो पहले sequence को AP प्रूव करो, okay? Then only you can use the formula of AP. Alright students, तो जब भी sequence and series बोला है, पहले find out करो if it is an AP or not, okay? So write down the sequence first. The given sequence is 3, 1, -1, -3, and so on. So T2 minus T1, 1 minus 3, that is -2. T3 minus T2, that is -1, which is -2. T4 minus T3, -3 minus -1, तो -3 plus 1 हो जाएगा, which is -2 again. Difference between the consecutive terms is same, therefore the sequence is an AP. So you will write down the statement. I am not writing down the statement, students, please लिखो. Since the difference between the consecutive terms is same, the sequence is an AP. Okay. Now since it is an AP, A और D find out कर सकते हैं. So A is 3 and D is, we just found out, but I'm still showing the working over here, A and D. Okay. Tn find out करना है, general term find out करना है, that is जो previous sum में हम लोग को दिया था, Tn was 8 minus 5n, ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा. ओके. A और D का वैल्यूज पुट करो और n अननोन होगा. ओके. सो Tn जो जनरल टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है उसमें A और D पुट करना है और n विल बी द अननोन. ओके. सो यू राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट. Tn इज A plus n minus 1d. So Tn will be 3 plus n minus 1 into -2. So that will give 3 plus -2 into n, minus 2n, and minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. Okay. So 3 minus 2n plus 2 हो जाएगा. 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 2n. Okay. So general term मिल गया AP का. Okay. Box कर दो 5 minus 2n. Write down the statement. The general term of the AP is 5 minus 2n. Okay. Now we need to find out 23rd term. तो same formula use करेंगे. It is A plus 23 minus 1d. So that is 3 plus 22 into -2. So 3 plus into minus हो जाएगा. 22 into 2, 44. So that will give -41. Okay. Box the answer. Again write down the final statement. The 23rd term of the AP is -41. Okay. Next question, question number 10. Is -150 a term of 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on? Are you given in the question that the sequence is an AP? No. So यहाँ पे first thing that you will do is find out if it is an AP or not. then only you can use the formulae of AP. Okay, so check the difference between the consecutive terms. If it is same, then it is an AP, and if not, then it is not an AP. So write down the sequence first. The given sequence is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Okay. T2 minus T1 is 8 minus 11, which is minus 3. T3 minus T2, 5 minus 8, again minus 3. T4 minus T3, 2 minus 5, वापस से minus 3. So you will write down, since the difference between the consecutive terms is same, the sequence is an AP. I am not writing it down, you have to write down, okay? तो AP है तो A और D फाइंड आउट करते हैं. D तो हम लोग को मिल गया है, -3 है, A 11 है, okay? Now you are asked, is -150 a term of the sequence? तो -150 Tn है कि नहीं है ये पूछा है. Is it some term belonging to this AP? They have asked. So if you assume that -150 is Tn, okay, जो n मिलेगा that should be a natural number. Okay, this should be a natural number always, because when you number things, तो हम लोग कैसे नंबर करते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? Do you give decimal values? Do you give negative values? नहीं ना. हम लोग जब भी नंबर करते हैं किसी भी चीज को तो वो नेचुरल नंबर ही होता है, राइट? तो जो n मिलेगा यहाँ पे वो नेचुरल ही होना चाहिए. ओके, if n is a natural number then yes this is a term, and if not then it is not a term. हम लोग जब ये AP कंसिडर करते हैं, हम लोग फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म, do we say it is 0.5th term, this is 2.8th term? No, right? तो natural number होना चाहिए. Okay, so what we are going to do is we'll say that the nth term is -150 and solve further. A and D का values put करो, n का जो value मिलेगा वो देखेंगे. If it is a natural number then it is a term, okay, and if not then it is not a term. Okay, so let Tn be -150. Okay, Tn का फॉर्मूला क्या है? A plus n minus 1D. Tn -150 है, A 11 है, n we don't know, okay? D is -3. So -150 is equal to 11 plus -3n, minus into minus plus 3. So we are getting 11 minus 3n plus 3, that is -150 is 14 minus 3n. 14 को शिफ्ट करते हैं, so -150 minus 14 is equal to -3n. So -164 is equal to -3n. Okay, -164 divided by -3 is equal to n. So माइनस ऊपर चला जाएगा, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, 164 by 3 is n. Is 164 divisible by 3? No, it is not. So n जो हम लोग को मिल रहा है that is a fractional value. Is it possible? No. So this is not possible. Therefore -150 is not a term of 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Okay, don't forget to write down the final statements.